Hey everybody, it's Bianca and I am here to show you guys my collection with Sutra Beauty. I am so excited. You guys have been asking for hair tutorials and I've been telling you guys, wait, something's coming. This is the 3-inch blowout brush. I have been using it for a while now and I love how it makes my hair feel, and it just cuts my blow dry time in half, and I know you guys are gonna love it too. First off, I wanna show you guys the packaging. I am so obsessed with it. I love the color. I am obsessed with the color pink, and so you guys know that I had to do a pink little tool moment. Here is my blow dry brush, the 3-inch blowout brush. It is super cute. I am obsessed with the color, and it has 3 settings right here. It obviously has my signature right there. My favorite setting on the blow dry brush is the high setting, just because I'm usually in a hurry and it gets the job done really fast. I have been asked a lot, like every time I wear my hair like curled in. Right now it's not doing it so well because my hair is not short enough, but normally I use this and I don't do anything else to my hair, and it gives me like the super cute look, like curled in. It's doing it a little bit right now, but my hair's a little bit too long for that. But everybody asks, like, how do you get your hair to look like that, like so smooth? And this is my secret, this right here. So I decided to go with a blow dry brush for my collection just because it is one tool that I use every single day. Doesn't matter if I'm straightening or curling my hair, I always use it just because it leaves my hair so silky smooth. The handle on this feels like a velvet, like smooth. It's just like, it feels really nice in your hand. I love that it has like the smaller bristles on the inside too, because I feel like that helps smooth your hair out. Every time I've used it, I have like silky smooth hair. So this is 3 inches. So it also, that is another reason why it cuts your blow dry time in half, because it's wide, so you can get a lot of your hair in there. And if you're in a hurry like me every single day, it's gonna be your best friend. This also makes my hair super like voluminous and just like, I don't know, I feel like I just got out of the hair salon when I use it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you tag Sutra Beauty and myself when you use my tools, so that we can see all your guys' looks that you create. So you guys will be able to purchase this baby all alone or with the whole collection, which is 3 different tools. It is up to you guys. If you just want the blow dry brush, you don't want anything else, just get the blow dry brush, but it will be coming in a bundle. You guys will save a little bit with the bundles. Pre-sale starts now, so go to sutrabeauty.com and get yours.